Ang nakaraan sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0. Magkakagrupong hinarap ng housemates ang isang task na nauwi sa mapusong pagbabahagi tungkol sa kanilang pamilya.
Pinalaki po nila ako ng maayos. Kahit bata pa po silang naging parents. Naging proud po ako sa kanila.
Hindi ko alam yung feeling na na-appreciate ako. Ito ngayon na ang dami nakaka-appreciate sa akin. Hindi ko naman deserve yan eh. Maybe deserve.
Ngayong gabi, may mabubuong tensyon sa pagitan ng housemates na nag-ugat sa usapang kalinisan sa loob ng bahay.
Yeah. May pruweba. Evidence. Si Kuya.
Hey guys, ba't tayo tumawa?
I don't get it. Why are we laughing?
Lahat ng yan dito lang sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0. Sa bagong umaga sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, si Fred mukhang maaksyon ang naging panaginip.
Nanaginip ka, pre. Yung panaginip mo si Antonio. Sabi niya, Ton, wag Ton.
Maya-maya pa ay narinig na nila ang hudyat para magpalit ng school uniform.
Uniform, storage.
At matapos magpalit, isang nakakaintrigang tanong ang binigay ni Lela at Joaquin kay Anton.
May crush ka ba dito?
Wala.
Meron, ako magsasabi.
Meron ako, pero wala. Wala na.
Walang chance.
Walang chance.
Sino?
Hindi ko crush. Like yung personality niya. I can vibe with her.
Ba't wala kang chance? May boyfriend siya.
Hindi yun.
Oh, yun.
Alam mo na wala siyang boyfriend.
Oo. Pero ayoko na.
Si Carmel.
Ha?
Hindi.
Ikaw talaga.
Crystal.
Hindi.
Hindi niya gumanon siya. Sabay di.
May parang split second pause yun na kapamilya.
Oo.
Si Crystal yun.
Oh, down to 5 na, bro. 5 na lang.
Hindi siya. Alam ko hindi siya.
Melon, avocado.
Alam ko hindi si Carmel.
Ako din, favorite ko.
So we're down to Crystal, Eliza.
Si Eliza.
So, okay, wait.
Eliza?
Wala na. Ito, hindi ayun yung batapusin.
Wala, tapos na tayo.
Hindi kailangan i-splash.
Maya-maya pa ay ipinatawag ni Kuya ang task leader sa confession room.
Nais kong ipaalam sa inyo na ngayong araw, kinakailangan nyong i-present ang inyong mga nagawang diorama. I-display ninyo at ipapatong gamit yung mga platforms. You decide kung saan ilalagay yung mga dioramas ninyo, kung aling platforms ang pipiliin ninyo.
Kaagad namang sinimulan ng housemates ang pagbabahagi tungkol sa kanilang diorama.
Kami ang Rays of Sunshine!
So, as you can see, parang medyo PBB house yung peg namin. Yun yung naging peg namin kasi dito kami nagkakilala, dito yung nabuo yung relationship namin as brothers and sisters.
We all did a part of the house po. Ako po sa garden, si Wei sa living room, si Princess po sa kitchen, and si Fred naman po sa dining area.
Feel ko yung concept namin is you can see na it's very colorful kasi we feel na in life, ang daming kulay. Pwedeng maging representation of a lot of different things.
Mahalaga yung colors sa family nila. Kumbaga yung bumubuhay sa family nila, Kuya, yung mga kulay.
Good day, everyone. So this is the work of Group 2, which is Caramel Macutesy. Dito umiikot yung family dynamics namin. So ito yung nag-represent ng floor ng bahay. So we have here the living room,
Bedroom and garden.
And dining area.
Yung mga family kasi namin, as much as possible, gusto namin sabay-sabay kami kumakain.
Importante daw po sa kanila yung sabay-sabay po silang kumakain. And sa akin po kasi, Kuya, importante rin po sa akin yun kasi yung dalawa ko pong ate hindi rin po masyado umuwi sa bahay. So, minsan lang din po kami magka-sabay-sabay.
We are the adorable Taskmasters!
Iboto si Miguelito!
So, kaya may birthday
birthday cake, I realized every time na nagbe-birthday tayo, it brings your family closer together and we celebrate our day ourselves. And kaya may mapa kasi I also made them think to put these items sa mga parts ng lands na very memorable or significant for us.
Yun po, I'm happy na nagawa po naming task na to as a group po.
As you can see, medyo magulo siya, very colorful. Kasi gusto rin namin ipakita yung kabataang Pinoy na very youthful, very, rowdy.
Matapos ang grupong Antokin Sila, sunod na nagbahagi ng kanilang diorama ang grupong Fighting Sweethearts.
Sun siya, and then may wings, may moon kami. Ito yung star talaga to. At saka yung bahay ni Clifford to.
Last year, nasunog yung bahay namin. That was probably the hardest time for a family. I'm not gonna lie, I really questioned God at the same time. Na parang, why our family? Bakit nangyari yan sa family namin? But I'm glad that it happened. Hindi glad na nasunog yung bahay namin. Kasi of course, nobody would pray for that. Pero yun talagang time na parang naging closer kami as a family. The only thing that we have is each other. And I feel like that's what matters the most. I didn't feel like I was presenting not as myself, Kuya. And I felt like nakwento ko naman sa housemates po, Kuya. And I'm also happy kasi na-feel ko naman po, Kuya, na through my story, they got to know me better, Kuya.
Dahil nga sa kanilang diorama ay nakapagbukas ng kani-kanilang kwentong pamilya ang ating housemates sa loob ng bahay, dahilan para mas magkakilala sila. Pero kung maayos silang nagawa ang task na ito, mukhang may isa silang nakaligtaan. At yan ay ang kalinisan sa loob ng bahay.
Nako! Magandang gabi, kapuso and kapamilya! Robbie D, ito na nga ba? Saan nga ba hahantong ang usapin na ito tungkol sa kalinisan sa loob ng bahay? At papaano kaya maapektuhan ang samahan ng ating housemates gayong si Kuya mismo ang nakapunas sa kanila? Grabe, Pilipinas sa Team Online. Narito ang kwento.
Sa pagpasok ng house guest na si Esnir, isa sa mga napansin nito ang tila maruming kwarto ng housemates. Pero sa paglipas ng mga araw, ang housemates walang ginawang aksyon tungkol dito. Kaya naman, personal nang kinausap ni Kuya ang housemates.
Housemates, sa diorama task na aking ibinigay, ay nilayon kong makita kung anong klaseng tahanan ang inyong kinabibilangan. Naging maayos, maganda at puno ng pagmamahal ang paggawa nyo dito. Bagay na karapat-dapat para sa isang tahanan. Pero sa kasamaang palad, hindi ganyan ang masasabi ko para sa inyong tahanan ngayon, ang aking tahanan. Dahil sa nakikita ko nitong mga nakaraang araw, ito ay magulo, makalat, at tila walang pagmamahal at respeto. Tila nakakalimutan ninyo na ang bahay na ito ay tahanan din natin. Sa puntong ito, gusto kong pumili kayo ng 2 babae at 2 lalaki na sa tingin ninyo ay may pinakamataas na disiplina pagdating sa kalinisan. At pagkatapos ay pumunta ang 4 na iyon sa confession room. Maghihintay ako, housemates.
Susunod!
May pruweba. Evidence. Si Kuya.
Hey guys, ba't tayo tumawa?
Pero
Sa pagpapatuloy ng anunsyo ni Kuya,
gusto kong pumili kayo ng 2 babae at 2 lalaki na sa tingin ninyo ay may pinakamataas na disiplina pagdating sa kalinisan. At pagkatapos ay pumunta ang 4 na iyon sa confession room.
matapos ang anunsyo ni Kuya, pinangunahan ng household chores leader na si Lee ang diskusyon tungkol sa mga pipiliing housemates.
Alam ko nakakagulat yung sinabi ni Kuya, pero yun nga, may pruweba. Evidence. Si Kuya.
Hey guys, ba't tayo tumawa?
Seryoso to, unfortunately, yes. magulo yung kwarto natin.
Cecily, bigla po siya nag-speak up. Parang naging subtitle siya sa what you said. And I get that because he's our leader po. Parang it wasn't acceptable that we were all laughing for no reason. Lee, I think right now we have to vote. Who
Yeah,
the two girls are and the two
So
boys.
who wants to?
I think it's easier
Nomin-
for girls first.
Yeah, girls first.
Sophia. Yeah.
Sophia and Caprice. Final, no
Yeah.
objections.
Sa lalaki, I vote.
Sa lalaki, I vote Inigo.
No, I vote Heath.
Legit nga.
Kuya's waiting.
Come on, bro. What the?
Pwede sa mess. Bro, nakita mo na yung dumitang ko, bro. Lahat yung naka-fold. Oh, yeah.
Like, Fred and Heath.
Let's not laugh about it.
Fred and Heath, let's go. Let's do
I
it.
nominate Fred and Heath.
Ayan na, final na.
I nominate Fred.
Caprice, Sophia, Heath, and Fred.
But I don't get it. Why are we laughing?
I just remembered something funny.
No, but everyone else, like, I don't get it. Go.
Kaagad namang pumunta sa confession room ang apat na pinili bilang
Hindi niyo pa kasi nakita yung damit.
housemates.
Kayong apat nga ba iyon?
Sa palagay ko, kuya, kung ba't sila yung naipili ng mga housemate. Sa tingin ko kasi sila yung pinaka-malinis at gustong-gusto nila na lagi lahat na organize.
Sang-ayon ba kayo na sina Heath at Fred ang pinakadisiplinado sa mga boys?
Sa loob po ng kwarto, kuya, di ko po alam. Pero sa labas po, kuya, nakikita ko po na pag naglilinis na po ako ng tables, kuya, nakikita ko po lagi na hindi po sila nagiiwan ng plates nila, kuya. Dinadala po nila ng kusa.
Kayo ang hinihirang kong tagapag-alaga ng kalinisan sa loob ng bahay ko. Nakita niyo naman ang estado, di ba? Ang una ninyong task ay bigyang kaayusan ang aking bahay.
Kaagad namang ibinalita ng pinakamadisiplinang housemates ang gagawin nilang paglilinis.
Actually, hindi na dapat talaga to gawing task eh. Kasi dapat,
Anong gamit nyo?
ano na to?
Oh, wait.
Yung mga
Sorry
gamit
guys,
nyo,
asking
wala akong
consent
malaman.
lang to fix your...
Maya-maya pa ay inumpisahan na nila Heath, Fred, Sophia at Caprice ang paglilinis.
Pero mo man jacket ang init. Days!
Oh my God!
Wala tayong remote.
Grabe pala. Bro, I didn't expect. So magulo pala sa personal.
Unahin ko muna yung bed.
Kahit ako sa bed.
Kasi,
Oo nga, bakit may mga damit dito sa gilid dati ko? May mga bra pa. May nag-iiwan ng bra. Kahiya po, kuya, syempre bilang babae, hindi po dapat ganun.
Sa living room, hindi pa rin maiwasang isipin ni Inigo ang hindi pagsaseryoso ng housemates tungkol sa pagsasalita ni Lee.
oh my Lord.
I don't get everyone's so happy. I don't get it. Is that really what it is?
No, baka ano lang. They don't take it like super seriously or like super...
Wala kuya, feeling ko lang di namin po rin-respeto po yung rules nyo. And that's me. I'm part of that.
Does it PMO?
What's PMO?
Piss me off, bro.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, really?
What do you mean? It pissed me off?
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one? Why? The what?
Because I don't appreciate it na napagalitan tayo tas we can still smile and be happy.
Yung nakasalanan, bro, kung ano? Kung naghalo-halo gamit. They're not being clear, bro.
It's a lesson learned for them, bro.
Yeah, that's a lesson for them, bro. We're the one...
Gamit mo, maghahalo-halo kayo ng brief.
Yup, that's not my fault.
Siguro tandaan na lang muna natin yung pinaka nag-stand out na hindi organized.
Ito. Ito, si Carmel. Carmel. Kasi yung tatlo doon maayos. Right.
Carmel.
Parang yung kapamilya girls ata yan.
May damit ba doon, Sophia?
elected the leader. Oh. I think we gotta disband it, bro.
Robe lang ata nandun.
Do you see that we respect our leader? Do we respect our leader?
In a way na, do we honor his word? Or in a way na...
As a leader, do we respect him as a
Do we
leader?
respect him as a leader?
Yes.
No.
Even if I want to, I feel like I don't even respect my leader. So instead of us having a
It's an
leader,
ugly feeling.
it's an ugly feeling. It really is. I respect him as Lee.
And that's
Fair.
completely fine.
Yes. So for me, I just think we have to disband the leader.
We don't jump to this band. I think we jump to talking about it first.
Okay, sige. Let's talk about it later. I think we
as a group. As a house.
Yes.
Susunod!
Napapansin mo ba na parang medyo sumusobra tayo? Listen mo.
Yeah, I agree.
Like, lagi na lang may saway sa kuya.
Yeah.
It's like we're pushing his limits also.
Yeah.
Which is embarrassing.
Habang patuloy sa paglilinis ang 4 na pinakadisiplinado, nagbukas ng saloobin si Inigo kay Lela tungkol sa nangyari.
Doon pa lang kay Sneer You know what she said, diba? Na parang binagyo dito.
Yung napansin ko sa bahay ay hindi malinis yung bahay nyo. Parang dinaanan ng bagyo. Kung saan na lang nakakalat yung mga gamit.
It's all indirect teachings. You think she just went there for no freaking reason?
Yeah.
Then sayang lang din pala yung punta niya, diba?
Dude, napapansin mo ba na parang medyo sumusobra tayo? Listen mo.
Yeah, I agree.
Like, lagi na lang may saway sa kuya.
Yeah.
It's like we're pushing his limits also.
Yeah.
Which is embarrassing.
It is.
Especially po us kasi isa tayo sa pinakamatanda dito.
Unang nangyari was, yun nga, nag-joke si Miss Castro na binagyo dito. But alam ko po na patama po yung joke na yun eh. So, even if I knew that, wala pa rin po talaga akong ginawa.
Maya-maya pa, sumama na rin ang iba sa usapan.
Unang-una, sa first day, we agreed na may groups.
Yeah.
Ako, hindi ako sangayon doon. Si Pia, hindi sangayon. May mga tao hindi sangayon. Pero we agreed, all of us agreed na groups. So ako, sumusunod ako. Pag group ko, ako nagalilinis, ako nag-ano. Pero ba't ngayon, bakit pag ibang, hindi? So ako, kahit may mga groupmates ako na, let's say na, nagsislack, you just pick up the slack, bro. It's your group. That's your group. You
Tell
don't
everyone na...
It's not about telling
yes,
anyone.
given may group, given na yun.
Yeah.
But like, anyone can help, Like, if kung may nakita kayong kalat dyan, pick it up pa rin.
That's the reason why I didn't want groupings, because now everyone's obligated to choose.
Yeah.
Because what if we just did kusa? Walang problema. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
Ilang sandali pa, si Inigo tila patuloy na binabagabag ng sitwasyon.
Sabi ni Joaquin kanina, it's like an elephant in the room. Like, we all know it, but we're not talking about it. Is that something? Yeah. So we just need to bring it up. Can we say? Yeah?
What do you say?
I'm gonna ask the question. How do you feel about Willie being our leader?
Really?
Yeah. Then I can start. Na, I respect Lee, period. But honestly, we don't need a leader.
Kuya, wala pa matagal.
And I know he's young, but we need to say this in a way na
That's yun yung...
You have to make him understand na what his intention.
Kasi mas lalong...
Are good mo.
Yeah.
For the better.
Yeah.
But sometimes, hindi natin kailangan masyado mag-realize sa pagiging leader niya. And expect na palagi siya yung magsistart. Kasi we can step up to ourselves.
Exactly. Oh, ngayon, pare, hindi natin nakikita to. You know why we don't see this? Because we rely on a leader. I feel the need to talk about problems right away, kuya. Ako po yung tipong lalaki or partner na kung mayroon tayong problema, instead of pag-usapan natin ngayon, sasabihin ko, wag muna, mag-iisip muna ako, and then bukas na natin pag-usapan. But yun yung coping mechanism ko, kuya, kung paano ko tinatrato yung mga problema. And it works for me. But then, kanina, pumapatong lang siya, kuya, na kailangan meron kaming sense of urgency, na kailangan na siyang pag-usapan. First elected Lee. So I talked to him na...
Pero it's all like
because
fun.
Lee wanted to be a leader kasi talaga. So we gave him that. So, we just live with him being the leader, and then what? We just keep making fun of him? Kasi that's not what I want din eh. I mean, how are you gonna have a leader that's just disrespecting the next? So is he truly, be honest, do you treat him like your leader? Do you?
No.
Or ask anyone.
Yeah.
Or when was the last time you talked to him about something na kailangan pag-usapan? Kasi lahat tayo, we can do that naman, bro.
Habang patuloy na nababagabag si Inigo, Ang 4 na madidisplay ng housemates, patuloy pa rin sa paglilinis.
Bro, Anton's clothes are always on my bed, bro.
Bro, it's everywhere. I think sa kanya pa nga ito eh. Ito?
Maya-maya pa, sina Miguel at Clifford naman ang nag-usap tungkol sa paglapit kay Lee.
Mahirap yan pag nagpatawag tayo ng meeting sa buong grupo.
Then some of the people don't have a problem with
Yeah, kasi what if, like some of the other housemates that don't have a problem with Lee, andyan sa living room, anong use para maging audience lang? Siyempre, mahirap din yan para kay Lee.
Yeah, napapahiya siya in front of everyone. Diba?
Oh.
Pero yun, it's really sad kasi he's just trying his best, diba?
Yeah.
All of us.
We chose him, bro.
Yeah.
We're the reason why he's there. So, ngayon we're complaining na bakit ganyan,
No, they're not complaining.
Yeah.
We chose Lee, so it's our responsibility also if you have a problem with Lee.
Ilang saglit pa, si Clifford, nilapitan na si Inigo.
I want to give him the floor, but we have to tell him to step up. And not just that, we all also. Hindi sa we're relying. Kasi kanina, sobra kong na-appreciate na lahat tayo nag-uusap. Mas gusto ko yung ganun eh. Na-address natin eh. Kasi yung ayoko lang, kasi yung talking about him. Pag lumapit siya, biglang mag-change topic na, like, that's not how we deal with it. Put yourself in these shoes. How would you feel if people are doing that to you? Like, paglapit mo
I
dun,
wouldn't
nag-change
allow
topic
that
sa'yo.
to happen. We all need to address na we're all doing the same thing to you. Yeah.
Kawawa nga siya. He needs our guidance. He needs our help. At the end of the day, isa rin siya sa mga bunso natin, bro. We have to help him.
Yeah.
Hindi na we're talking behind his back.
Ito na lang, let's keep it simple. All 10 of us are leaders. Promise. In our own ways. We've elected Lee as a leader. Let's keep it like that. Let's teach him how to be that leader. The personality.
Let's teach
You
him
know how to
instead of
teach him
looking
strategy.
down on him,
Diba?
instead of backstabbing him, instead of hiding the truth from him.
We're really gonna go there to talk about the cleanliness.
You want to
then-
take this time?
Huh?
No. Let's all talk about it later.
Yeah.
No. Let's all talk about it later.
Yeah.
Ang boys, minabuting kausapin na ang kanilang household chores leader na si Lee.
Okay, so we'd like to formally start by apologizing. I'm sorry, Lee. Yung mga pinag-usapan namin kanina ay para mapaliwanag namin sa isa't isa ang mga isipan namin tungkol dito. I'd like to start by apologizing. I'm sorry.
Sorry Lee, kasi minsan yung mga jokes ko, hindi ko siya mapigilan kasi I don't know then na kung okay lang sa'yo or nagbibiruan pa tayo. Pero it's my fault na ganun yung nagagawa ko kasi minsan I need to tone it down pa.
Lee, I wanna apologize. And the reason being, kasi kanina, napag-usapan kita about your leadership. Kanina, instead of blaming myself for the cleanliness, kasi individually naman yun eh. Because as you being our leader, parang I mentally put the blame on you. Which hindi dapat. That's why I'm apologizing. And hindi namin na-realize na you're our bunso. And all you wanted to do was really volunteer to be our leader, be better.
And that we know though, that your intentions are good.
Yeah.
Not only did we volunteer, but we chose him.
Yeah, we chose you.
him.
Ako sorry ako kasi I didn't respect you as our leader. I just respected you as Lee, as my friend. Kaya nagjo-joke ako sa'yo ng ganyan. Kasi yung trato ko sa'yo as my friend, hindi kita trinatong leader. Sorry talaga.
Since you guys said sorry, I want to say I'm sorry. Is that alright? I say sorry sa lahat sa inyo. Maybe I'll speak as a leader before being Lee muna. Never in my life have I expected na ako yung magiging leader to lead the house, and that put a lot of pressure on me because it's a first-time experience and wala akong maisip na tao or grupo na like umaasa sa akin like to lead. Now I'm gonna say I'm sorry because as a leader I think I'm not doing the leadership role well. I am sorry. if I am too... Sorry, kasi ito personality is who I am. I'm sorry if I'm too loud, too energetic, and I'm sorry about the jokes. Alam ko may mga jokes kayo, but to me, that's completely fine. Kasi alam natin, jokes lang yun. No bad intention.
Brother, don't worry. You're not complaining about your personality.
Oh, hindi yung personal.
Hindi ako napaplastic dito, bro. Kaya ako nag-sorry talaga sa'yo, pare.
Nah, come on.
Hindi ako napaplastic.
Sorry, guys.
No, it's fine, bro. No, bro.
I really feel disappointed with myself. Hindi ko nagagampanan yung role ng maayos. As a leader and as me, as Lee Kuya, nag-sorry ako kung sinabi ko, I'm trying my best.
Mayan,
Brother,
that's not how you talk, bro.
Brother, come here.
No.
Okay lang.
Kasi you have to understand
Sorry,
also,
bro.
bro.
Sa labas po ng bahay niyo po, Kuya, hindi pa po ako nabibigyan ng ganitong kalaking role. Never pa ako naging parang president ng klase or naging leader ng sobrang laking group ko yan. Naiintindihan ko na yung mga past leaders na super hirap na role and dapat hindi binabaliwala yung pagka-role ng isang leader.
Yes, sir. Tama? Yes, sir.
Nice one.
Kaya tayo. Alright. Leader.
I feel like yun po talaga yung kailangan namin as a group. Yung mag-usap-usap lang talaga. Na-feel ko talaga na may spark nung lahat kami nag-usap-usap talaga sa gitna.
Bro, we good. Yeah, we're good, bro. Bro, we're good. We're good. Let's go, bro. Love you, brother.
Pagkatapos maglinis ng mga pinakadisiplinado, si Sofia nilapitan si Lee.
Yes. Yeah, I'm okay still. Thank you.
Everybody just opened up.
Yeah, it's great. Ang okay nga yun eh. I love that everyone's opening up. And that's great. That's good. Yeah, I'm good.
Maya-maya pa, si Sofia tila naging emosyonal.
Naalala ko lang yung pinagdaanan ko.
Bakit?
Hindi. Nakikita ko kasi si Lee. Pag nakakakita kasi ako ng gano'n na lang ako. Naalala ko lang yung ako. May mali ba sa akin, yung gano'n. Kaya I feel bad kapag may nakikita akong gano'n.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Nga ako nga, lagi nga ganyan si Sofia. Pag nakakita siya ng like older, like ganon, pag may nakita
You're so sweet, you know?
mga older.
And I hope people see that.
Dun siya
Na you're
umiyak.
genuine.
Kaya,
And that you really try your best to be friends with everyone. And I hope they see that, you know? We see that, na you're really genuine, right? And hindi mo makifeel sa amin yung na-feel mo nun. Yeah. Wala. Okay ka lang, di?
yeah, why? What's wrong?
Wala. We just, appreciate you. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wala.
There's no worries. Sorry.
I'm glad you're my friend. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad that you're my friend as well.
Abangan bukas!
Ngayong gabi, bilang inyong reward, bibigyan ko kayo ng tig isang kwarto.
I'm really laying down, bro.
Hindi na po kami magkwekwentuhan. Tuwan-tuwa lang talaga kami sa laki ng kwarto.
Thank you so much, Kuya, for this W room.
Good night! Good night. Good night!
At mapupuno ng musika ang bahay ni Kuya.
Si Carmel sa pagkanta at ikaw naman, Hi, sa mga instrumento.
Tinatanggap po namin, Kuya.
Ang hamon nyo.
Yes po. Yung tang is... Tang naman. 1, 2, 3, and...
Your turn.
Pagpalit daw ng battery.
Lahat ng yan, pakatutukan